Consider u is equal to some function of x and y. We want to find du dx and du dy. Well, in this case, du dx would be equal to f dashed of x plus y, where in this instance, the dashed here signifies differentiating f with respect to x. And then we would need to multiply by the differential of the inside function with respect to x. Now, since the inside function here is just x plus y, the differential is just 1. And so this is just simply f dashed x plus y. In the same way, du dy would be equal to f dashed x plus y, where this time f dashed is the differential with respect to y, multiplied by the differential of the inside function with respect to y, which again is just 1, and therefore what we have is f dashed of x plus y.